JETCOAT Shower Wall System. Measure width of each wall at top and bottom of installation area. Apply double-sided construction tape to the back of the wall panel as shown. Apply construction-grade adhesive to the spaces between the tape as shown in a circular pattern. Important: the circular pattern is critical for proper adhesion. Peel off back of double-sided tape from the back of the panel. Note: while installing the wall panels, make sure the top edges of the wall panels all line up. To create this seamless look, you may need to shim the panels. Remember to remove the shim once the panel has dried and is secured to the wall. If using the optional corner trim, apply construction adhesive to the backside of the internal corner trim and push it into place. Important: corner trim should not be used if the corner is more than 1/4 inch out of square. Peel off back of double-sided tape from the back of the panel. Fill the channel with caulk. Then position the panel at approximately 30 degrees. Push the cut edge into the channel and then carefully push the panel towards the back wall. Be sure to install the panels in the order of the labels on the back of the panels. Position the panel at approximately 30 degrees. Push the cut edge into the corner and then carefully push the panel towards the back wall. Push panel firmly against the wall, smoothing out any air bubbles along the entire area. And then lightly tap on the wall panel with a rubber mallet from top to bottom to ensure it is tightly connected to the wall. Note: if using the mallet to tap, do not hit the tongue and groove. Carefully draw a line on the back of each panel where the cut is to be made. Any adjustments for out of square or out of plumb should be considered when drawing this line. Note: using a straight edge when possible is highly recommended. A circular saw is recommended for making required cuts. If using a utility knife, score the line several times. Note: it is recommended that when cutting the wall panels, a dry run installation should be completed before adding the construction tape and construction grade adhesive. Note: if using the optional corner trim, it needs to be installed onto the third panel before pushing into the corner. Same can be said for the first panel. Note: while installing the wall panels, make sure the top edges of the wall panels all line up. To create this seamless look, you may need to shim the panels. Remember to remove the shim once the panel has dried and is secured to the wall. Measure cutout locations for plumbing fixtures and mark them on the back of the appropriate panel. The measurements for the side panels for cutting to size and the holes for the plumbing is to be done after the back wall is installed. Properly caulk around the JETCOAT shower wall system to ensure a secure fit and finish. This includes but not limited to interior corners where shower walls meet. Not necessary if optional corner pieces were used. Corners where the walls meet the base. Outer edge of the side wall panels. Not necessary if optional edge pieces were used. Optional. Caulking along the top edge of the entire enclosure is not required, but may help contribute to a finished look. Measure and cut edge trim for length and to cover tile or existing wall material as needed. Fill the channel that the wall panel will slide into with caulk and apply construction-grade adhesive to the back of the edge trim piece. Carefully position the edge trim and push it into place. JETCOAT Shower Wall System.